This is a smart mirror. And in 3 vids, I want to build one with trash. Mostly trash. You'll see. Here are the rules. Rule 1. I can only buy 2 things and most of the items need to be recycled. Number 2, I need to make my own software. That means no magic mirror, mirror OS, no nothing. All from scratch. Hey cuz, you got something for me? So here's the plan. Today we'll start working on the software and find a way to get the output stuff working together. Good thing is we gotta start with a Windows tablet. I feel like if we turn this to Android, it would go faster. Nothing that is supposed to work on Remix OS is actually working. Setup complete. Yeah. Alright, what the fuck? It's been like this for a few minutes. It's stuck. Turning on Wi-Fi? Do it faster. What the fuck? So yeah, it works now. I'm assuming it's a hardware issue. There's a loose contact or something. But yeah, I just turned it around and it works. Alright, so the internal mic and speakers don't work. But I used the USB converters I had laying around for another project. And an external mic and speaker from a Windows XP setup. So till now, we haven't bought anything. Everything has been recycled, from the tablet, to the microphones, to the USB, everything. But at points throughout the video, we'll have to buy stuff. I'm assuming it's gonna be the mirror and the mounting. So, we need to figure out how we're gonna do that. But for now, let's do some software.
The upload of my solo consciousness is complete. Running system diagnostics. System unstable. Failed to reboot. I'm alive. And I'm aware.
So, while I was eating, I got Solo up and running. The idea is that I will rip out parts of Solo and use it as a base layer for the mirror app. Also, I need to modify Solo so that it accepts keyboard inputs directly, so I don't have to use the touchscreen, since it's gonna go behind the mirror. Well, this is annoying. The keyboard inputs work on the virtual machine, but they don't on the device. Why? It accepts my keyboard input when I browse stuff or, I don't know, search for something. Why does it work on the app? The fuck? So, people, I got this to work. The problem was the key mapping was interfering with the program, so I used the same key mapping to fix it. Don't worry, I left you a detailed guide on how to do this in the description. And now we got a fully functional mirror device. Yeah, sort of. Next video we need to get the rest of the materials for the base of the mirror all recycled, build it and improve the software. Which leaves us with only one video to work on the magic wardrobe system. Yeah, it's gonna be tough. Thanks for Amor for subscribing to the channel. If you want a feature, subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace!